Hi, this is the Realme 11 Pro Plus and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So open first the control panel and you'll see here all of the available options. Just to add some options, another one, or to remove some of them options, or just to change their positions, you should click to these three dots, tap to edit titles, and with the help of these green pluses you could add some options to your panel. If you want, you could add all of them by this way. To remove some from these options by the same way, click to the red minuses and that's it. And to change the positions of the icons here, you should just hold it and drag it by this way. So to reset all of the changes, click to the three dots, tap to reset, or if you want to save the changes, click just to go back and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.